I've never tackled any sort of construction process like this. The experience is overall really good. Yeah, so hi, my name's Sam. So this is my Bristol. I recently put the shed together about a month ago and I'm looking forward to moving in. This will be my backyard office. Yeah, really excited for it. And I recently started like a new job that's entirely remote, and just like having a dedicated working space just makes sense. So I chose SolidBuild and specifically the Bristol just because I really love the look of it. I think the double windows and the French doors are just so sleek and beautiful. And then in terms of size, the 11 by 13 was perfect. So kind of started off with the delivery. You know, a big box truck shows up and you gotta go have your scissors and you're cutting open the packaging and you're unloading it board by board. Then like you realize how big this thing is. And you know, it took, I think we had 3 or 4 of us working, and it took us, you know, about 20 or 30 minutes to unload each board. We tried to organize in the garage as we were going, but very quickly we just realized there are a lot of different pieces here, which is a little intimidating getting started. But I got to the point where I had a free weekend. My brother came out to help me, and we were able to assemble the shed pretty much one day. So where we went from just the slab all the way up to the tongue and groove boards in about 8 hours. Which was exactly what was advertised. Again, neither one of us are big like construction people by any means. So very normal, standard DIYers. I think we have extensive experience with like IKEA furniture, and we were able to tackle this okay. I'm gonna have the desk basically in the center, and then I'll have a lamp and a reading chair in one corner, and then I've got a bookshelf that'll go back, you know, one corner, and yeah, still kind of figuring out what I want to do at the other side. Probably do like another small desk with some of my like, I don't want to say toys, but like my side projects, my extra hobbies. So to kind of become my man cave, if you will. Again, like I said, honestly, it went up pretty easy without much of an issue. There are a couple of points in the instructions that like were maybe a little unclear, but with the QR codes, essentially the YouTube videos and like the modeling made it super easy to answer kind of any questions we had. And going through that whole process, I had probably about 2 or 3 months where I was kind of looking at different options, but I actually like saved a bunch of the pictures for like inspiration. And then yeah, so there are just so many pretty sheds that are on here, and I kind of collected all of my favorites, put them in an album. You know, I was looking at, you know, having somebody like come professionally build a shed, and like paying for a professional is just more than what we could do. But this seemed like something that we could, you know, get everything done and out the door right around 15K, which is like about the budget we were looking at. So when you factor in like the grading and putting in the concrete slab, electrician coming out and all the roofing material, you know, we're gonna come out pretty much right at 15K. Where I'm at right now, so I have the shed constructed, I have electricals brought in, so I have my sub panel and all the internal plugs laid out. I still need to do external lights, the roof deck up and the underlayment on top, so I need to install the actual roofing material, and then I gotta do some exterior landscaping. I really like building it, so doing something hands-on just felt really good, really satisfying. And be able to like see everything here take shape in, you know, the course of a number of weeks, and now having this amazing backyard office has been really cool and really fulfilling.